Welcome to our travel washing showdown. Today we will be comparing two innovative portable washing solutions, the Scrubba wash bag and the portable washing machine. Both products cater to travelers and outdoor enthusiasts, but they come with different features and functionalities. Let's dive into their specifications and see which one stands out for your laundry needs. The Scrubba wash bag is designed for ultimate portability, weighing only 5.3 ounces and easily fitting into any travel bag. In contrast, the portable washing machine, while compact, weighs 4.19 pounds and requires a power source, making it less convenient for on-the-go use. If you're backpacking or camping, the Scrubba is the clear winner in terms of portability. When it comes to capacity, the portable washing machine has a significant advantage with a 10L capacity, allowing for larger loads of laundry. On the other hand, the Scrubba wash bag is designed for small to medium loads, making it ideal for quick washes, but limiting the amount of laundry you can do at once. If you have a family or need to wash multiple items, the portable washing machine is the better choice. The Scrubba wash bag operates manually, requiring physical effort to wash clothes, which can be tiring over time. In contrast, the portable washing machine offers 3 different washing modes, making it easier to select the appropriate cycle for your laundry needs. This electric operation not only saves time, but also ensures a more thorough wash, especially for heavily soiled items. In conclusion, both the Scrubba wash bag and the portable washing machine have their unique advantages. If you prioritize portability and simplicity, the Scrubba is an excellent choice. However, if you need a more robust solution with greater capacity and ease of use, the portable washing machine is worth the investment. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more product comparisons.